Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Mastering Options Trading. So since last 2 days, I have been telling that there is some big player activity on the option chain. Although I have highlighted only two strikes here, but there is one more important strike. Actually, there are three or four more important strikes. So after analyzing all of these strikes only, I clearly mentioned that market is ready for a big move. On Thursday, closing somewhere around 25,010. 25010 was the market close, and I said for Friday there could be a big move, right? And not only that, I said, is what is the probability of crash ahead? Will Nifty fall 2000 points? So compared to Thursday, which is 25,010, and compared to today's low, we were already close to 1100 points down from the 25,010, not even from the market high. From market high, if we consider, we are close to 1200 points down. And I mentioned my target will be by September 2024, somewhere around 23 500 600 kind of levels, right? Now, a common question that should be coming to your mind at the moment is the market fall over, or will there be a pullback? Should we go for long trades, or should we sell immediately for some more target? All of these questions are natural to a trader as of now, especially to the people who have missed out, who did not trust the analysis, who did not make positions me putting down the analysis so that it would help people. So all those would lead to FOMO, right? Fear of missing out. So in now, what is the high probabilities? A lot of retail traders will now feel fear of missing out, that they've lost big money on put side, and they will think that let me capture it on upside and reversal. But my only caution is, if India VIX is up by 42%, and just a while ago I was observing the US S&P 500 VIX as well. Since we are highly correlated with S&P 500, that's the only reason I'm looking at US markets. Otherwise, there is no specific reason. So it had gone up to 130% up as well. As of now, even now it is 80% up. So we are not falling as bad as US markets, but definitely, in my opinion, there is still some more downside before the reversal. So at any cost, I would avoid long positions or play for reversal. I will not do that at the moment. Not only that, during the market hours, again in the morning itself, I mentioned caution to option buyers, both puts and calls. India VIX has now jumped more than 50%, leading to a significant surge in premium. So avoid buying, because any up move from here will not appreciate calls. I am reading out this because it's applicable for tomorrow as well. So even if the market moves, gives a turnaround, if you are a call buyer, right, then it will not appreciate, because now when market will go up slightly, the VIX will start to fall, and your premiums will not appreciate as much as you expect, right? And for put buyers, if market is going up anyway, they will lose on put, and not only that, because of VIX, which has an impact on implied volatility, will reduce your premiums. So for both option buyers, calls or puts, it will not be an advantageous situation. Now, call buyers can be short fresh. If it is any resistance and negative pattern is forming, then only you should look for call shorts, right? And put shorts, again, even the high weeks, the fall can be higher. The quantum of fall can be much higher. So you got to be very careful if you are going to short the puts, right? Now, so clearly here is one gap down, it's a fall. Clearly another gap down, again fall. 24,000, 24,060 to 24,160 was my targets. Somewhere around 24,197 I exited in the morning. And again I took a scalp rate for 60-65 points, somewhere in between. And then that closely gave me around 900 points I could capture on Nifty out of 1100 points, right? I don't wish to capture the entire fall, but I have captured a very good amount of it. And the happiness is, a lot of people have actually made money. I thought of putting screenshots. Again, there are so many people who made money, and I'm very happy about them. And yeah, based on request, I have come up with a special webinar in August. Already there is one webinar ongoing, so one more webinar I can do. And if two more people join, then I'll close that special batch as well. And as I've been saying, only 39 more, 38 more people I'll be doing a webinar. After that, I'll completely stop my webinars. So if you're interested, do reach me out on my number given in the channel description. Now let's start with the analysis for tomorrow. So index futures, retailers have reduced some 26,000 shorts, so it is bearish. FIs have reduced 35,000 longs, so it is bearish. Again, for us, the important data is in options as of now. So retailers have added huge call shots, right? 6,13,000 call shots on a falling day. I'm not sure why. I mean, again, it's the expectation that every time market is falling, it will recover. So retailers seem to think that this time also it is going to recover very fast. But I think there is little more downside pending as of now, and then it can take a support, and again it might fall. That's a later story. But as of now, I don't think these call buyers will make any money significantly, right? So it is a bearish sign. FIs have reduced their longs, so bearish. Pros have added huge call shots. So all majority of these call shots by pros are done by pros and are added by retailers in the form of longs, right? So yeah, I think this is wrong. So this is longs, not shorts. So yeah, that's why it is bearish sign. Index puts, retailers have reduced put shots. So some retailers have actually bought puts. So that means it's a bullish sign. We take the opposite of it, right? So FIs have reduced put longs. So that is also bullish. Pros have added 2 lakh put shots. So that is also bullishness. So my overall conclusion is the call segment is indicating bearishness, put segment is indicating bullishness. But the number here, if you see, huge addition of call logs, and just I mentioned that I put in the community tab that especially call buying will not appreciate at all, but that's what the retailers have done for now. So in my opinion, if I picturize correctly, the market will give another fall tomorrow, maybe through a gap down and a little more fall from there, somewhere around 23,000 650 to 23,700 could act as the support if it falls till there, or the next above support will be somewhere around 23,830. I'll show you the levels on the chart itself, right? So what are the key levels for tomorrow? 24,110 will act as the resistance, 24,350 will act as the second resistance. On downside, I'll show you an hourly chart. So 23,920, 23,830, and as I mentioned, 23,666 will be the final support. So my expectation is we will very likely hit 23,830 at least, but there is a decent chance that we can go towards 23,700 as well in tomorrow, but I will conservative people can look for 23,830, which is close to 200 points from the current market price. As of now, Gift Nifty, I think I don't remember. Let me check quickly. Yeah, Gift Nifty is only indicating 60 points gap down. A while ago, it was 270 or 280 points gap down. It was indicating kind of recovered, but I still think we are still 150 200 points fall is possible in Nifty, right? In case of Bank Nifty, we'll see the levels. So 50,000 and 50,210 will act as the key resistances, and supports will be 49,625 and 49,050. So yeah, you can keep a note of this, right? So on daily candles, there is nothing much to analyze. This is a proper bearish candle, and if you can visualize, this is kind of an M pattern if you're not able to see. So we can look at the lines, right? So it is kind of M pattern. So the target might come somewhere around this level as well. So we'll have a look at the Nifty chart as well, where I have shown you on the thumbnail today. So this is looking like a M pattern as well, right? So don't be in a hurry to go long or to play out the reversals. Wait patiently. Somewhere around this level of 23,660 will be very strong support in my opinion. Ideally expected 24,060 to 24,160 as the support. As of now, it has just closed below the support level, but somewhere around the support only. So in case tomorrow it breaks down, one more bearish move is very much possible, right? Uh, Please do comment on this video, because within 3 days, I did not expect that market will fall within 3 days, but I expected somewhere before 8th of August or before August end, sometime it could fall, and that's why I even was thinking about the month end options and taking positions of September, October, and all. So please do comment your opinion and if the analysis was good enough or not. Thank you all. Have a good day.